Boy, another leak, guys, on the DJI Mavic 3. Stay tuned, because we're going to be right back, and we're going to get right into it. Welcome back to the channel. Michael here with FlyZone Drones, and today we have some leaks on the DJI Mavic 3. Now, I have these leaked photos that I'm about to show you in this video, and personally, in my opinion, I think that these could be the real deal on the Mavic 3. Now, we did have some released photos leaks earlier this week that everyone thinks that could be the one, but now looking at this one, I truly think that this could be the official Mavic 3 that will be releasing by DJI. We're going to walk you through this video, and I'm going to be showing you what DJI is presenting. Let's jump right into it, guys, and let's get started. Okay, here we have it, the DJI Mavic 3. Now, as you can see, not a big change, but they did make some good quality changes on this drone. You can see in the front we still have the usual obstacle avoidance sensors, and you'll see that the color will remain the same, and they got the good old Mavic 3 on the arm there. Now, what they're giving us here is they're giving us the good old Hasselblad camera, and this will be shooting in 8K with a 6x zoom, and on top you'll see that they added the air vent. And if you look closely to this picture here, you'll see that the motors are facing downward, so looks like they're going with the Skydio route on this one with those motors. And we have the good old green LED lights that will be remaining. Now in this picture you'll see that we still have the side obstacle avoidance sensors, and you'll see the air vents down on the bottom. This picture here, you'll see on this one we have the propellers facing up, and then these facing downward. So they might have maybe two different models, or they could be giving us one or the other. So there you have it, guys, DJI Mavic 3. Hopefully this was helpful. You guys let me know in the comments below if you think this is real or the fake one, and which ones you think the DJI will be coming out with. The ones with the propellers facing down, that Skydio look, or with the propellers that we usually see on our DJI drones. That does it, guys. I'm out of here. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss future content that will be coming out of this channel. Happy flying and fly safe. We're out of here. See you in the next one. Bye now.